In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HS codes to your products on Shopify. Understanding HS codes, or harmonized system codes, is crucial for anyone involved in international trade. These codes help to simplify and standardize the classification of traded goods, which can ease customs procedures and lower shipping times. So let's dive into how you can add HS codes to your products on Shopify. First, you'll want to start on your Shopify dashboard. Log into your account and navigate to My Store, which serves as the home page. Here resides the control center for all your store's operations, from inventory to sales stats and everything in between. Familiarize yourself with this space if you haven't already, as it's where you'll often begin your store management tasks. Next, look for the Products section, usually located on the left side of your dashboard. Click on it. This will bring up a complete list of all the products you currently have in your store. This section enables you to manage and edit every product detail necessary for successful online sales. Once you're in the Products section, select the specific product you wish to update with an HS code. Clicking on a product name will take you to its detailed overview and editing page. Ensure that you've picked the correct item, as any changes made here directly affect how your products are listed for sale. Now, it's important to make sure that the box labeled "This is a physical product" is checked. This is to confirm for Shopify that the product requires physical shipping details, as digital products wouldn't need an HS code. Confirming this setting will keep everything in sync for your shipping needs. After checking that box, the next step is to scroll down and click on Add Customs Information. This section is where you will input essential data regarding the product's logistics and handling, including HS codes. This customs info is crucial to prevent any snags in international sales processes. You'll then have the option to select the country or region of origin. This is the location where the product was manufactured or produced. Knowing the country of origin is a key aspect of international trade for qualifying for reduced tariff rates under different trade agreements. Finally, it's time to enter your product's harmonized system code. Ensure you use the accurate code that corresponds to your product category. The HS code acts like a passport for your products, enabling smoother movement through international borders. Double check this information, as the wrong code can lead to delays or mishandled tariff assessments. Once you've entered this information, remember to save your changes. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your product catalog's compliance with international trade requirements using HS codes right from your Shopify dashboard. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.